Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here. Guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to take off a Volkswagen connector very easily. Sometimes they're piss take. So the one we're going to be taking off is the brake piston one because there's an issue with this one, as you can see. If you know, watch my last video or whatever video I've done. You need that resoldering, so I'll show you how to take the plug off very easily, the connector. We will take out the camera now.
To start with, have you seen this beautiful car? Wow. Anyways,
Watch out. Okay, so this is the connector we're taking off. So you can see the connector there. You push it there. So you want to hold it in and then you push towards it. So what you do is pull that in and push towards it. So you want to push this way and hold that in at the same time and then pull, because you need to put enough pressure on so it comes off easily, because there's a rubber ring on this end and that's what that seats on. So you need to push that in first, then pull it. I know it's counterintuitive, but that's how it works. So there's the wire. We're going to be fixing that in the next video. As you can see, I thought it was worse than this, so we should be able to solder that. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. See you guys next time. Goodbye.